issues appear based on this situation are first, whether the contract is void or not, second, whether the contract is within the constitution or not, and third, whether the object is clause for the company's institution or not. By virtue of Section 35, subsection 2A of Companies Act 2016 state that every constitution that is against the object will be restricted from handling the business. But in Malaysian law, on the side of Toki Sendirian Berhad, they can take a legal action for the breach of contract, even it is ultra vires, because some consideration will be taken.
For example, based on the case of Ashbury Railway Carriage and Ayangko against Ridge, the constitution of the company gave it the power to make, sell, lend or hire railway plant, fittings, machinery and rolling stock to carry on the business of mechanical engineers and general contractors. The director entered into a contract with Ridge on behalf of the company to purchase a concession for constructing a railway in Belgium. The shareholders ratified the director action. When the company refused to proceed with the contract, it was sued by the vendor for breach of the contract. It is held that the construction of railways ultra vires the object of the company. Thus, the contract was void. The company was not liable for breach of contract. Under the English law, any contract which is not authorized by object clause will be void ab initio and cannot be ratified. However, under Malaysian law, to protect the innocent third party, it is allowed to take legal action in the event of the breach of the contract, even it was ultra vires, provided that the contract has been fully performed and deemed to be valid.
Be applied in the situation of Mutu Sendirian Berhad and Toki Sendirian Berhad, where it against the solely object of the company. On behalf of the situation of Hamid, it is said to apply this ultra vires concept because the object of the company is to manufacture motor vehicle, but the directors of the company plans to enter a contract with Toki Sendirian Berhad to expand the company by purchasing a worth 2 million ringgit machinery in manufacturing mobile, which it is not within the object of the company. According to Section 35, subsection 2, if the Constitution sets out the object of a company, the company shall be restricted from carrying on any business which is not within the object and known as ultra vires.
Conclusion, we can conclude that the company's decision to diversify its business to include the manufacture of mobile phone ultra-vires the object of the company. Thus, the contract is void. Any contract which is not authorized by object clause ultra-vires will be void ab initio, which means the contract is already revoked in the beginning and cannot be rectified. Thank you. In this occasion, I would like to wish happy and Mubarak to those who celebrating, and may all our good deeds will be accepted. Thank you.